Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about ProstaVive before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ProstaVive is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because ProstaVive is only sold on the official website. If you really want to see the best results with ProstaVive, you need to make sure you're buying it from the official site. There are many counterfeit products being sold on other websites that can not only be ineffective, but could also harm your health. Always check if you're on the official website before making your purchase. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. I know that dealing with prostate problems can be incredibly challenging. The pain, constant discomfort, and the frustration of being unable to sleep because you're constantly running to the bathroom, plus the feeling that your sex life may never be the same. I understand how all of this affects not just your physical health, but your emotional well-being and self-esteem too. If you've gone through uncomfortable exams, felt anxious or afraid of the diagnosis, or even avoided seeking help because of embarrassment, you're not alone. Many men face these struggles, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed with so many options and uncertainties. But here's the important thing: you don't have to keep suffering. ProstaVive was created specifically for people like you who face these daily challenges. So, what is ProstaVive, and does it really work? The answer is yes. ProstaVive has helped thousands of men, and it can help you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients in ProstaVive that not only supports prostate health, but also improves overall well-being. ProstaVive contains a powerful blend of herbs and nutrients carefully selected for their ability to reduce inflammation, support healthy urinary function, and promote better blood flow to the prostate. This formula works to alleviate common symptoms of prostate problems, such as frequent urination, especially at night, discomfort during urination, and pain in the pelvic area. By using ProstaVive regularly, you may notice relief from these disruptive symptoms, helping you regain your energy and confidence. Additionally, it supports long-term prostate health and helps prevent further issues, providing a natural solution without the need for harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. So, yes, you can trust this product. There are many men having great results with ProstaVive, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ProstaVive for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for ProstaVive to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, ProstaVive has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ProstaVive from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that ProstaVive actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of men around the world.